Greetings, it's Tree from Tractus Aerospace, and I'm here today constructing this monstrosity, Excel. So, Excel is a test platform for possible landing technologies such as drag fins, grid fins, or even RCS. So there's supposed to be 8 spars that goes out like this, here, here, here. That's for the parachute. Well, down here it's supposed to be a skirt, kind of like skirt formation. I have a rough sketch of it around here somewhere. This is the rough sketch for Excel, and there's the possible landing technologies I can use on the side: RCS, aerodynamic fins, grid fins, or drag fins. And yeah, I'm gonna be using this to test out landing technologies instead of Firefly. Firefly is like the main vehicle that we're using. It's one of our primary goals is to land a rocket through upright parachute recovery, and I'm gonna be testing out landing technologies on this monstrosity. I'm still constructing it. It's not finished yet. There's supposed to be 8 of these segments that I attach to these 4 structural side structures. And so yeah, I'm gonna be continue working on this. I'm already done with the crush core. I'm gonna test the crush core in a couple of days time, probably on 6 tomorrow. I don't know. I'll see you then. Bye guys.